good afternoon, good evening, and good night. No matter where you are in the world, I'm glad you're here to join me. My name's B Tics. This is the Balloon Sculptor. And today we're going to be covering a very basic thing, how to tie a balloon. Because, well, as cool as balloons are, when they're like this, well, they're not that fun. Ooh, a worm. Ooh, a mustache. And but when we can get air into it, and we can start shaping that air, that's when the possibilities really arise. So let's put a little air in a balloon. Now, we'll be covering later on about how much air you should put in a balloon for each thing we do and how to figure that out for yourself. But if we don't tie the balloon, well, yeah, that's the problem. So let's put a little air in here and do a quick tie. Now, there's a lot of ways of tying a balloon. Now, for our friends who have physical limitations from so many different reasons, they might not be able to use their fingers in this way, but that's okay. Over the years, there's been a lot of cool little contraptions made that you can get from like Etsy or eBay or wherever, and they will hold the balloon for you. You can wrap it around and it will do it all for you. This is a method I do, and this is a method I've been doing for a very, very long time. And the way I do it is I hold the balloon with my thumb right here, my two fingers. I pinch, okay? Make sure I have a lot of nozzle. I'm then going to go around my fingers, just those two. And then you see right there where I'm going to cross over the balloon. So if you look carefully, there we go. I cross over the balloon. Now this is a trick. I'm going to open up my fingers just a little bit. And I'm going to stick that other piece right through it. You see that? Let's see here. Right like that. And now I'm going to grab it and pull. And that will tie me my knot. Now, if you don't feel like you can do this the first couple times, it's okay. You'll get better at it. Now, I will tell you this. First few times you do this, until your fingers are getting used to how it feels, right along that area, it might get pretty red. It might get sore. If you do it too many times, you know, it's going to look like you got a little rugworm. Let it heal. Take a break. It's all good. Eventually, you'll build up your fingers, and they'll be nice and strong. So again, with the same balloon, I'm just going to do it again. Wrap it around. Again, hold it. Give it a nice pinch. Hold it. Wrap it. Wrap it. And then just push it right between those fingers and grab. And just like that, I have my knot. Now, once you do that, you got a lot of possibilities. Like an inflated snake instead of the uninflated one. Or a much cooler mustache. But we're going to be learning all types of ways of using this once you inflate it. And that will be for another video. So if you learned something today, leave a comment, like, share, you know the deal. Help us get going. We got a lot of big dreams. But until next time, a smile is free. A thank you just takes a moment. An encouraging word at the right time can be priceless. Till then, bye.